Well, there's a remarkably shift in terms of policy, in terms of perspective from the national government. From the previous government, napaka one-sided. In fact, we don't even hear news of what's happening in West Philippines Sea. Kung may mabalitaan man tayo, late na. At kapag nabalitaan natin na mayroong incident of harassment sa Ayungin Shoal man yan or sa Panatag Shoal, ay tahimik ang ating pamahalaan. To be fair to this current government, no, they are very transparent on what's happening there. And there's a remarkably shift in terms of foreign policy in relating with China on the West Philippine Sea. Mas mas uh, mas mark yung pag-assert ng ating victory sa arbitral ruling. Mas klaro ang pagtatanggol ng ating sovereign rights at territorial integrity sa sa territory natin. So far we are happy on how the government is doing its policy on the West Philippine Sea with regards to the defense of our frontliners and the fisher. Of course, marami pang pwedeng gawin. Mas marami pa tayong pwedeng asikasuhin. For example, dahil ito sa threat ng illegal pag-aaresto daw ng bansang China sa tinatawag nila so-called trespassers sa West Philippine Sea. We are calling on the national government, Philippine Coast Guard and BIFAR to have more regular patrols at pag-iikot sa vicinity na para tumaas din ang kumpiyansa ng ating mga mangisda sa mga lugar na yun.